Hey everyone, this is Mr. Technology here, and now we have right now we have an unboxing of the latest iPad Air 4th generation. So this iPad Air model was announced by Apple just over a month ago at one of their special events. And what's quite interesting about this Air model is that first of all, it resembles the new iPad Pro. If you can see from the photo we have in the box, there's no visible home button. But what differentiates this from the latest iPad Pro models is that this actually has Touch ID built in. So right here on top, you will see that there is the power on, off, and lock button, and this actually incorporates the Touch ID sensor, which is quite a unique twist on this. So this features Apple's latest Liquid Retina display. It also has the latest A14 Bionic chip, but what this does not have is a 120Hz display as the new iPad Pro models do. So without further ado, the model that I decided to go for was the 256GB Space Gray model. So just taking a look at the box here, because that's what you all came for. We have a cutout of the iPad on the front of the box, iPad Air branding on the sides, Apple logo on the top and bottom, and just in the back we have some information about the iPad itself. So it's, as you can see, it's a 256GB iPad Air 4th generation. So we just dig into the box here by pulling on this tab. So I'll take off this plastic wrapping, put this off to the side, and we just slowly try to open this up here now. Slowly getting there, and we should have the top off. Voila, that's the top off, and you instantly get a whiff of that new electronic smell. So right on top here we have the iPad Air wrapped in plastic, and you can see it's a space gray model. We have the camera cut out here at the back. We have the magnetic connectors for the smart keyboard and smart case. On the right hand side we have the holder for the Apple Pencil, and nothing then on the other far hand side. And then again, we have our volume rockers, and on the top you can see that the Touch ID, or the power button, is shining, and that's due to the presence of the Touch ID sensor that's incorporated in. So that's an interesting twist on this. So we'll put that off to the side for the moment. Inside the box we have our design by Apple in California in material, and yeah, what you typically expect to find. Warning information, a quick how-to guide, and here we go. What I was expecting to find inside: the infamous Apple stickers. If I can just get them out, they seem to be quite stuck in here, and voila, the Apple stickers as well. So we'll just put these off to the side for the moment. So this generation of iPad Air does do away with the Lightning connector, so it follows in the footsteps of its older brothers, the iPad Pros, and we have a complete USB-C experience. So we have a USB connector on either end, and it's nice to see that Apple still includes the USB-C wall adapter with its latest iPad model. And for those of you who don't know, that as of 2020, Apple has announced that they will no longer be including the USB wall adapter with their latest iPhone models, and that they expect people to already have them, and on their behalf it's an effort to cut down on environmental waste. But unfortunately, us, the end consumers, don't see that price reduction transition across in the cost of the product. It would have been nice to see Apple reduce the price of their products by the $20 or $25 or euros or pounds, wherever you live, to reflect the fact that they don't include the power adapter to enable those of us, or those of you who don't have one, to go out and purchase one. So bar that, nothing else in the box. We can push that off over here to the side for a moment. Put this warranty information back up. So right here we have the iPad, so we'll just take it out of its plastic film. And voila, it slides right out. So here we have it. So I'm just going to hold down the power button to power it on, and you see the Apple logo instantly lights up. On the top here we have a microphone, and we have 2 stereo speakers. On the bottom, we have our USB-C port and again 2 stereo speakers. On the back, we have another microphone and our camera and the Apple logo kind of embossed in. So the iPad is just turned on. So over the coming days, I will be setting this iPad up and I'll be pairing it up with the latest Apple Pencil and putting it to use, and just to give you guys a sense of what it feels like to use from a productivity perspective. So this has been a quick unboxing video of the latest iPad Air 4th generation. If you'd like to see more content in regards to this, don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe, share, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye all.